Welcome everyone. In this presentation, I will present a comprehensive digital strategy proposal for Huawei Technologies. We will cover the company background, digital opportunity through SWOT analysis, strategic innovation in e-business, supply chain, and customer engagement, and conclude with implementation plan and performance indicators. Huawei Technology was founded in 1987 in Shenzhen, China, has grown from a small private firm into one of the world's leading providers of information and communication technology. With operation in over 170 countries and a workforce exceeding 207,000 people, Huawei serves a global customer base. The company operates in three core areas: carrier networks such as 5G, base stations, and telecom infrastructure; enterprise IT solutions supporting industries like finance, energy, and transport; and consumer electronics, where it's well known for its smartphones, wearables, and smart home products. Notably, Huawei reinvests heavily into research and development, over 25% in some years, targeting next-generation technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and its own operating system, Harmony OS. Despite external pressure and geopolitical challenges, Huawei continues to evolve as a digital transformation pioneer across multiple sectors. Huawei's primary strength lies in its commitment to self-reliance through robust commitment to self-reliance and development. In 2023 alone, over 22% of its revenue was funneled into research and development, fueling innovations in chips like Kirin series, Harmony OS, and cloud platforms like Huawei. However, one of Huawei's critical weaknesses is the ongoing geopolitical pressure, particularly from the US, which restricts its access in advanced semiconductor vital software like Google mobile services. This hampers competitiveness, especially in Western markets. Nevertheless, there are vast opportunities in developing nations where Huawei end-to-end digital infrastructure solution can be deployed at scale. These include smart cities, AI integration, and cloud services. Still, Huawei must navigate rising threats, including intense competition from firms like Samsung and Xiaomi, as well as strict data governance policies that could limit cross-border operations. Huawei's business model is highly integrated and digitally aligned. It combines physical infrastructure with digital services to offer end-to-end solutions. For example, a government can partner with Huawei for both 5G deployment and AI-based surveillance systems. By collaborating with telecom operators, startups, and public sectors, Huawei strengthens its ecosystem and distribution channels. Its value proposition spans secure connectivity, smart devices powered by artificial intelligence, and seamless digital experiences for consumers and businesses alike. Huawei's diverse customer base includes telecom carriers, enterprise, client, and individual users, all accessed through e-commerce platforms, cloud portals, and physical retail stores. Increasingly, Huawei is shifting towards digital revenue streams like SaaS-based cloud services and IP licensing, creating more resilient and hardware-constrained global environment. As mobile internet usage rises globally, Huawei must adopt a mobile-first e-business strategy to drive sales in ecosystem engagement. Creating a localized mobile-optimized commerce platform tailored for regions like Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America can significantly boost device and app sales. The integration of blockchain for issuing digital receipts and warranties enhancing consumer trust, especially in regions facing counterfeit concerns. Artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistants that support multiple languages and offer real-time troubleshooting will help reduce operation strain while improving user satisfaction. Additionally, enhancing the app gallery with cross-border digital payment solutions like WeChat Pay, PayPal, and regional e-wallets can help it emerge as a credible alternative to Apple and Google App Stores, boosting both developer and consumer adoption. In the face of globally supply chain disruption, Huawei create a more intelligent, resilient logistic network. Embedding IoT sensor into its logistic operation enables real-time tracking of shipment and proactive resolution of delays or quality issues. Artificial intelligence forecasting tools can process a range of variables from historical sales and weather to political risk to predict demand with much greater accuracy. Furthermore, using blockchain technology, Huawei can trace and verify the ethical sustainable sources of its components, helping meet global ESG requirements and customer expectations. A centralized control tower supported by digital twins simulation and real-time dashboards can provide leadership with instant insights, allowing for quicker and smarter supply chain decisions. In today's digital economy, building strong customer relationship requires more than traditional marketing. However, Huawei must amplify its digital presence by tailoring content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn to different regions, cultures, and languages. Artificial intelligence can mine user data to deliver high personalized recommendations and target promotions, driving up engagement and conversations. Huawei can also differentiate with gamified loyalty programs tied to physical wellness like Step Track through Huawei Health or digital engagement within App Gallery. These initiatives not only reward users but also build ecosystem stickiness. Integrating artificial intelligence-powered social listening with its CRM system will allow Huawei to monitor customer sentiments in real time, respond faster, and adjust strategies proactively to boost satisfaction. Applying the SOSTAC model, we begin with situational analysis. Huawei is technologically robust but faces geopolitical constraints. The key objectives are to boost digital revenue and improve customer experience. The strategy revolves around leveraging internal tech capabilities with enhancing digital channels and operational agility. Tactically, Huawei will roll out initiatives like mobile commerce apps, multilingual artificial chatbots, blockchain-based warranties, and regional-specific marketing. Actions are delegated to agile teams responsible for market-specific rollouts, especially in under-penetrated or growth-ready regions. Monitoring mechanisms like digital dashboards, CSAT trackers, and KPI reviews will help ensure adaptability and allow for continuous course correction through the implementation process. The rollout spans for 4 quarters, ensuring structure, implementation, and scalability. In Q3, pilots are launched in 3 strategically chosen markets with varying digital maturity levels to test chatbot functionality, blockchain use cases, and mobile commerce readiness. Moving into Q4, insights from those pilots are used to scale up e-commerce activities in emerging regions, optimizing platforms and support systems. In Q1 of the following year, we focus on scaling blockchain integration across supply chain operation and introduce reward-based loyalty programs tied to Huawei Health and App Gallery engagement. Finally, Q2 is reserved for performance evaluation and refinements, adjusting tools, campaigns, and features based on data to ensure the strategy remains aligned with both markets' needs and internal capabilities. To measure the strategy effectiveness, we will focus on 4 core KPI. First, digital revenue growth will validate the success of e-commerce and cloud platform monetization. Second, customer satisfaction score will reveal how well digital services are resonating with users and if support channels are meeting expectations. Third, real-time supply chain visibility enabled by IoT and blockchain will serve a measure of operational efficiency and resilience. Lastly, loyalty program engagement metrics like user participation in Huawei healthcare challenges or App Gallery campaigns will indicate how well the brand is building long-term cross-platform relationships with its users, driving recurring revenue and platform loyalty. In conclusion, Huawei is exceptionally well positioned to lead in the digital era, thanks to its deep technical expertise and broad global presence. By embracing a strategy focused on digital modernization, especially in e-commerce, customer service, and logistics, Huawei can turn geopolitical constraints into opportunities for innovation. The inclusion of artificial intelligence, blockchain, and IoT throughout the strategy reflects both feasibility and future readiness. With a clearly defined implementation timeline, region-specific execution, and a robust performance monitoring framework, Huawei has the tools and vision to scale this strategy successfully. Ultimately, this will not only secure new revenue streams but also solidify Huawei's reputation as a global digital transformation leader. Thank you.